Hello class, how are you this morning? I hope you are fine. You are spirit. Okay student, today we will study about control panel, personalization icon, mouse icon, region and language icon. Okay, later you can see like this one, the picture. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, from control panel. Yeah, you can start Windows system control panel. Okay, kid, I want to remind you this is my laptop use Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 also, you can use this tab to open control panel, start Windows system plus control panel. And then later you can choose here, yeah, date or personalization, preference and personalization, clock and region. Okay, later we will practice ya kid. Okay, this is also have the personalization. Okay, this is the setting of mouse icon, and this is date and time. Okay kid, now we will practice ya kid. Look at this one. I want to. Okay, uh, just now if you want to open the control panel with Windows 10, yeah, click start button and then Windows system. Yeah, this one. And then in Windows system, have control panel, this one. Yeah, from Windows system. We click. Okay, have here kit. In here, you can also to uninstall program, yeah, preference and personalization, clock and region, ease of access have in here, yeah, kit. But the other way, I want to show you also, you can right click on your desktop, right click and have here, keep personalize or display setting can also. Okay, I try to click this one. Okay, we wait ya kid, still loading. Okay, wait ya kid. We are waiting for it. Okay. In here kid, after we click setting just now, have home, yeah, click home here. And then in here, look at this, have personalization, yeah, have also mouse. Later we want to set this mouse and also have region and date. Look at this. Okay, today we will study about them, yeah, kid, personalization, define, and then mouse icon and time and language. Okay, the first this kid, personalization. Yeah, we click, yeah, kid. Okay, wait, kid. Yeah, already have get this. If you want to change, yeah, if you want to change this one, can ya kid? Ya, kita mau ganti backgroundnya, you can click here, ya, choose this, ya, choose one, ya, up to you. What do you want? Yeah, you can change the picture, yeah, choose this one. And if you want to change the color, can also here, keep so many color here. Yeah, you can choose this. Yeah, this is how to set, bagaimana mengatur background, color, dan juga can lock screen, theme, font, and the other taskbar also have here. This is in personalization ya kid. Okay, next, yeah, we back home. We want to change this screen. Mouse point. Yeah, Bluetooth, printer, and mouse. We want to set mouse. Okay, okay. Today we study about mouse, yeah, not printer and with mouse. Okay, kid. This is can you additional option, ya mouse option bisa kita atur kit. Okay, wait ya kit, we must be patient. Later if already have the box to set the mouse, untuk mengatur mouse-nya. Yeah, look at this kit. Change pointer size can ya kit. If you want to make bigger, you can click this here. Yeah, click. Bigger kit. If you want to make like this, bigger. Look at mine. This, yeah, look at mine. This already bigger ya kit. If I click this again, more bigger. Look at kit. More bigger. Yeah. But I think this is not nice. I want make smaller. Yeah. Yeah, smaller jacket. And then, if you want to change the color kit, the example you want to change with purple or pink this, yeah. Okay, click. Later, your mouse pointer change, yeah. But I like this kit. Okay, lime, yeah. If you want to make the other color, you can click this, yeah. Tambahan, yeah. The example you want choose green, yeah, kit. Okay, done. Okay, I want green. Okay, look at this kit, green. Okay, that's how to set your mouse pointer kit. Itu untuk mengatur mouse ya. Use the color you want to make bigger. Can ya kit? Ya. This is left kit. Ini adalah klik kiri itu biasanya klik yang utama, primary ya. And this one on screen multiple line ya. This is how to set your mouse kit. Okay, we want to change the kit, times, language. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, kit. This is to set your date and time, region, date and time, language, and speech. Yeah. But today, we study about date and time. Yeah. How to format it, how to set, bagaimana mengaturnya. Ya, time zone itu we use Bangkok, Hanoi, Jakarta. Ya. Usually we use that and set time automatically, ya secara otomatis. And region, daerahnya itu ya here, country or regionnya itu United States. But if you want to change, kan ya kid, if you want to change, maybe Indonesia have also here, ya country, Indonesia country, this one, ya. And have also here, if you to change data format. Yeah, this is the calendar. Yeah, you can change. Yeah, first day of week Sunday in here Sunday ini sudah diatur kit. Short date bentuk dangkalnya seperti ini. Kalau long date panjangnya itu disebutkan April. This is the example ya kit. Short time bentuk format short time-nya seperti ini. Long time-nya ya di sini ada waktu, ada jam, ya hours, ya ada seconds, ya menit dan detiknya ya kit. Oke, itu change data format. Oke, I think enough for today, kid. About how to change the uh, date, time, region, and also language. Yeah, kid, this one. And just now we already studied also about how to set our mouse and also personalization. Okay, kid, enough for today. I hope you understood about our lesson today. Yeah, keep spirit, keep healthy, study hard because uh, 2 weeks later we will do midterm. Okay, kid, see you. Bye bye.